Starting to record now. All right, go ahead.
Good evening. It's Pastor Mike over here. At City Island. We are trying to do a well-being check on people. They're just getting out of the rain and making sure that they're warm enough and that they have food to eat and have water for them to drink, so they can stay hydrated. Tonight we were at the First Step Shelter board meeting, and the politicians in this city don't care. They really don't care about these people. These are citizen residents experiencing homelessness. And Mr. Mayor, I'm going to send this to your Facebook page, and I'm going to tell you, I'm not happy. I'm not happy about your platitudes, Mr. Police Chief Craig Capri. I'm over this. Okay, you have to treat these people with dignity and respect. They need a warm and safe place to sleep. All right, and I'm not going to stop talking about it until something happens. Thank you. God bless you, and good night. Okay, Bill. All right, is your clothes all wet? Does he have anything we can dry for him?